Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Place natural oils, citronella, lavender, peppermint, and lemongrass, in restricted areas. Make a homemade solution by mixing 1 part oil with 3 parts water, and spray it around your home. The scents will disappear after a few hours, but cats will be able to smell them for a long time afterwards.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Coffee grounds. The strong smell of coffee can be enough to keep cats off of your garden. Simply take your fresh, wet coffee grounds and distribute them around your borders and plants where you want to discourage feline attention.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Mix apple cider vinegar and water at a 1-to-1 ration. The vinegar can also be substituted for an essential oil such as citronella, lavender, peppermint or lemongrass, 1 part oil to 3 parts water. Either one will make a fantastic cat repellent spray. Just spray it where your cat likes to hang out.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Mix some vinegar with liquid hand soap and water in equal parts. Spray, wipe or pour over areas of concern depending on whether it's indoors or outdoors. Garlic, pepper, and lemon mixed with water is another deterrent.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Straight or diluted vinegar can be sprayed around the edges of a garden, and on plants, fences, posts and garden decor to keep cats away. Concentrate the spray on areas that the cats frequent or that you particularly want to protect. Either one will make a fantastic cat repellent spray.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
In a spray bottle, mix 16 ounces about 500 milliliters of warm water with 10 drops of peppermint essential oil or 2 tablespoons of peppermint extract. Spray all of the areas that you think your cat may have urinated or marked. Within a few hours the scent will be gone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.